Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by creating your React app and installing Firebase, so open a terminal and run Create React App or Vite now. Initialize a Firebase project in the console and enable at least one authentication provider. Copy the web app config with API key, auth domain, and project ID. Once done, add Firebase to package. JSON and create a src/Firebase, TS or Firebase, JS file. Export an initialized app and the auth instance, because you will import these into components to perform sign-in and state management. You will implement the core authentication flows inside a context or custom hook so components can subscribe to useState. useOnAuthState change to update React state and ensure session persistence matches your UX choices. This keeps the UI consistent on refresh. For provider sign-ins, call sign-in with pop-up, and for email flows, use sign-in with email and password and create user with email and password. Make sure to handle errors, show loading states, and secure tokens by avoiding direct local storage rights unless you understand persistence trade-offs. You will now protect routes and finalize the integration. Wrap private pages with a protected route that checks user state and redirects to login when null. For server-side verification, call current user. Get ID token or get ID token result, then send the token to your backend for verification and role checks. Once done, test common failure modes, expired tokens, network errors, and sign out. If something breaks, enable debug logs, inspect on auth state changed events, and verify your Firebase console auth settings as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.